Good morning, everybody. So, I have something that hopefully will work today, but we're going to start by firing up the ET1 and hopefully running the generator with it for a bit. So, I did prime that real good, and I just checked the spark, and I remembered to turn it on. I'm going to leave my needle closed for a second to make sure that it's not flooding. Okay, definitely not flooding there. Get a little longer rope there. We'll unbelt this and get it started, and then try to get it hooked on the generator. Well, fuel dripping out of the intake. All right, let's see. All right, here's hoping that works for a minute. And we will leave that going and get some other engines going for a second.